What's up, you guys? Welcome to Move with Erin. I'm Erin, and today I am so excited to take you through a 15-minute yoga flow. In this flow, first and foremost, I want you to pay attention to your breath. Nice, long, easy inhales and exhales, trying to breathe solely through your nose if possible. Let this feel free-flowing, relaxing. I'm not so concerned with perfection and extreme flexibility here, but we are going to be working on strengthening, toning, sculpting, but most importantly, flow. Make sure you've got a soft, even surface to work out on. You are fueled and hydrated, and let's get right into our flow. All right, you guys, we're gonna start in a nice child's pose. Knees can be touching or spread apart. I prefer to take my knees spread, and we're just gonna reach up top. Reaching to the top of your mat. We're gonna take our arms over to the left side. Feel that stretch in the right side of your body. From your armpit down your rib cage. I'm going to shift over to the right side. Now you should feel that feel that stretch all down your left side. We'll come back to center. Bring our hands back. And we'll meet in a tabletop. Neutral spine here. We're gonna lift the spine into a cat and sink down into a cow. Soft gaze upwards. Back to cat. Cow. One more time in cat. And back to neutral tabletop. Keeping the toes tucked, we're gonna walk our hands forward and we're gonna come up into our first down dog. This is a good time to pedal out those feet. You should feel a nice stretch in your calves here. I want you to really press into the palms of your hands. Take a deep inhale and exhale, sink back. Let your head hang. Shake no. Yes. Coming forward into a plank position. Pressing up through those shoulders. And now I want you to think about your elbows as we come down, grazing your rib cage. Lying flat on the mat here, untucking the toes. We're going to go ahead and press up into up dog. And back down. Inhale. And exhale. We're going to press back up into our plank, into our down dog. And we're going to lift our right leg up overhead, bending the knee. Really getting a nice stretch through the hips. Looking under your right arm. Come back to down dog with our right leg still in the air. We're going to bring it forward, hovering it. Back up overhead. Hovering again, and let's place that right foot between the hands. We're in a nice low lunge here. We're going to bring the right hand to the inside of the right foot. Bring that left arm up overhead to get a nice stretch. Bring that arm back down. Keep the left hand planted by the right foot. And we're going to twist the other direction, bringing the right arm up. And back down, framing the foot with the hands. Let's go ahead and bring that right foot back. We're in plank, down dog. Back to plank. We're going to press down to the mat, lifting up and back down. And we're going to come back into our down dog. Now lifting that left leg, bending the left knee, opening up, looking under the left armpit, feeling that stretch through your hips. Facing the mat, left leg is up. We're going to bring that knee up to the chest and hover. Bringing it back up. Hover once more. And then place that left foot between the hands. Now we're going to bring that left hand to the inside of the left foot. Bring that right hand up overhead for a nice stretch. Right hand back down. Keep that right hand by the left foot now and lift our left hand up. Left hand down, framing the foot. We're going to bring that foot back. We're going to go into our plank. This time, see if you can hover without resting on the mat. Up dog. And back to down dog. Let's bring that right foot up and forward between the hands. Placing that left heel down on the mat. We're going to now bring our hands up overhead, facing forward. Into our warrior one. We're going to open up into warrior two. Remembering to breathe here. We're going to go back into warrior three. Back to two. And then cartwheel the hands. We're going to get into a little bit more of a flow here as we pick things up. Like I said, this is when we're going to start to work on that free-flowing feeling and that breath. Bringing that left foot up. We're going to bring it through between the hands. Same thing on this side. Up to warrior one. Heel spins down. Out to two. And then back to three. Gaze upward. Back to two. And cartwheel the hands. Left leg back. And back into down dog. Let's take a minute to pedal out the feet here. You can come down into a child's pose if you like. Now I want you to really match your breath here with each movement. Let's go ahead and flow. We're going to take the right leg up through between the hands. Spin that left heel down. Coming up to warrior one, two, three. Two, cartwheel, foot goes back, let's go down, up dog, and down dog. Same thing, left leg up, bringing it through between the hands, spin that left heel down, warrior one, two, three, back to two, cartwheel the hands, Bring that left leg back. Let's come to up dog and down dog. We're going to bring that left leg up again between the hands. Spin that heel. We're going to come straight into warrior two. And then we're going to turn both feet facing parallel to each other. I want you to put your hands on your hips, and we're going to hinge forward from the waist. If you want more of a challenge, you can bring your hands out, parallel to the floor. We're going to bring our hands down to the mat. Take a nice long stretch here. You can shake the head no and yes. We're going to walk our hands over to the right side, turning our feet facing forward, hands overhead. Let's do some nice wide lunges here. Remembering to breathe, follow your breath. One more, stay up. We're going to come forward to balance on that right leg, right foot. Hands to hips or out in front. And coming back down, framing the foot with the hands. Bringing that leg back. We're going to go down into our chaturanga push-up, into up dog, and into down dog. Let's bring our left leg back. Bringing it forward. We're going to go straight into our warrior two here. Feet parallel to each other. Hands at the hips, hinging forward. This time, let's come down into a nice squat. We're going to walk our hands to the right and over to the left. Back to the right. Back to the left. Come center. Hinging forward. Hands at the hips. Let's lift up. Turn both feet forward into that low lunge. And let's pulse on this side. Stay up. We're going to frame the foot with the hands. Bring that left foot back. Down into your chaturanga push-up. Up dog. Down dog. Pedal out the feet here. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Forward, press down. From here, let's go ahead and flip over. They say this is where the true work really happens here. You can place your left hand on your heart, your right hand on your stomach, or vice versa. Feel your stomach rising as you inhale, lowering as you exhale. Feeling the beat of your heart. Relaxing your face, your eyes, your jaw, your lips. Relaxing your shoulders, wiggling your toes and fingers. Take one more deep breath in and let it all out. Open your eyes. Come to seated position. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this flow.